Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to download PUBG Mobile on your iPhone. It's super easy, so let's get started. So first grab your iPhone and open the App Store. At the bottom, tap on the search icon. Now type in PUBG Mobile in the search bar and then it should pop right away. The full name is PUBG Mobile Battle Royale. Make sure it's the one by Level Infinite. That's the official version. Tap Get or the download icon if you haven't downloaded it before. If you already have it, just tap open. No need to reinstall it. You might be asked to use your Face ID or enter your Apple ID password, so go ahead and confirm it. The game is about 2 to 3 gigabytes, so it may take a while. So make sure you're on Wi-Fi to avoid using too much data. Once it finishes, tap open to launch the game. You can log in with Facebook, Twitter, Apple, or just play as guest. And that's it. You're ready to jump into the action. If this helped you out, don't forget to like and share. Thank you so much for watching.